In this video, I'm going to show you how to get $10 free Bitcoin on Cash App through their promotion. Basically, what you're going to want to do is buy Bitcoin and turn on auto invest. Here's all the details that you can read through right here. This is going to be a promotion for the first 25,000 customers, and this will be paid out between January 14th and January 20th. So what we want to do is go to the Bitcoin section, and then we want to tap buy. I'm just going to do $10, and then I want to change my order type up top to auto invest, and I'm just going to do daily. Now this is going to buy $10 of Bitcoin for me every day at this time. So I tap next. It's going to give me my order details and tap confirm. You just bought $10 of Bitcoin. Tap done. Now tomorrow it's going to auto buy Bitcoin for me at this exact same time. And now that I turn this on, if I'm one of the first 25,000 people, I'm going to get $10 of free Bitcoin sent to me between January 14th and January 20th, 2026. Now if I want to turn this off, I just come to the Bitcoin screen, I scroll down, and I'm going to tap on auto invest. Now there's a toggle up here at the top, and you can just turn that off. This won't exclude you from the promotion or anything. I'm just showing how to turn it off in case you want to. If you ever want to find the promotions on your account, just tap the icon in the top right corner, scroll down, go to promos and invites, and then you'll be able to see all of the active promos. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.